What's up, guys? Welcome back to Finance to Fly. My name is Luke and I'm here to help you elevate your travel while minimizing your spending. Today we're going to be reviewing the newly renovated Ritz-Carlton in Naples, Florida. After landing in Fort Myers Airport, the hotel is around a 45-minute drive. Upon walking in, you're greeted with a massive lobby that has a very nice bar. And upon arriving, our room was ready, so we had a 2-queen bedroom. There is an adult-only pool, a kids pool, and a beach. They have a large gym and spa, bikes to rent, a kids center, and tons of conference rooms. There are a few restaurants on the property: the Lobby Bar, Nolita, which serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and it's Italian. Sofra, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and it's Mediterranean. Dusk, which is dinner, and it's sushi. The Grill, dinner, and it's the steakhouse. Gumbo Limbo is lunch and dinner, and it's Seafood American. Then you have Mocha, which is the coffee/snack bar, and Sandbar, which is the beach bar. Moving on to rating the experience, for the first category of location, this is an 8 out of 10. The location is fantastic. It's right on Vanderbilt Beach. Beach is excellent, but there are no walkable places from the property. If you want to go shopping or down to 5th Avenue, it is a drive. They do have a shuttle bus to the other Ritz-Carlton. For the service, I thought it was a 9 out of 10. This is the Ritz-Carlton, and the service was up to par for every staff interaction, except the one time we sat in the lobby bar. We waited about 15 minutes before walking out since no one came to take our order, but they were obviously going to other tables at that time. For the food, I thought it was an 8 out of 10. The food is great. Everything you have will be excellent. It is high priced though, and to be completely honest, there wasn't anything special that you can't find anywhere else. All the food is the same stuff you can eat at any nice dinner place. Lastly, for the room, I thought it was a 9 out of 10. The room is really solid. The bathroom was exceptionally clean, and I loved the balcony. One issue I had was that the bathroom light was an automatic light, which if I had to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night or when I was getting ready before everyone else, even when I walked past the door, it would turn on, which was kind of irritating. And so for the total, Ritz-Carlton Naples scored a 34 out of 40. And how did I book this? Well, we booked this with points, and it was around 550,000 points for a 5-night stay. All in all, what do you think of the video? Have you ever stayed at the Ritz-Carlton Naples? Have you ever been to Naples? Let me know down in the comments below, and if you could hit that like and subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated. Until next time, have a great day.